Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Jason Laird.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for sticking with us. A bit of a chilly start to the day. 14 in Great Falls, 12 in the capital right now, single digits, and 11 in northeastern Montana. We will be looking at some wind today. Initially, we did have a high wind watch that was supposed to go into effect for north central Montana today. That has been expired, not looking at as much wind as what we were previously expecting. Still 30 to 40 at times in and around Cutbank. Here in Great Falls and Helena, not nearly as much. A little bit breezy at times, an occasional wind gust at 30 miles per hour. Today's highs slightly warmer than what we saw yesterday. 33 in Great Falls, looking at the 20s and 30s west of the divide. Northeastern Montana right on track with 33 as well. Tonight a little bit chilly as well. 21 degrees in Great Falls, 19 in the capital, looking at the 20s along the High Line. And also tonight is going to be the first wave of our next couple of weather systems. So with that said, we do have a winter storm watch that's going to be going into effect here tomorrow. Mostly into southwestern Montana, and the biggest impacts are going to be in the mountains. Not looking at a ton in the plains. We'll show you the snow totals momentarily. On average, about 1 to 3 in the plains, 6 to 12 in the mountains. Again, the big impacts are going to be in southwestern Montana. About 7,000 feet and above will be the significant snow totals. Tomorrow will start out a little bit more mild, though. 42 for your daytime high, 38 degrees in the capital, with a couple of 40s and 30s throughout eastern Montana. As for our next wave of moisture, we've got a decent amount of North Pacific moisture that's going to be moving in. So with that said, we'll likely see some flurries in and around the capital tomorrow. Pretty minimal, though. Most of tomorrow's action is going to stay into the mountains. Now, once Wednesday night, tomorrow night into Thursday rolls around, a little bit more widespread at times into southwestern Montana. Between Helena and Great Falls, we'll be right on that cusp of a rain-snow mixture, so likely not going to see much in the way of accumulation until we head into Thursday and then Friday. So by Thursday night, that'll be the next batch of moisture that makes its way in. That's when we'll likely start to see better accumulations for Great Falls into the capital as well. So that first wave, more of a rain-snow mixture. That second wave is going to be more in the way of snow as those temperatures fall a little bit below freezing as well. So the snow forecast Wednesday through Friday. Right now, I'm going with the lower end of things. Some of the forecast models are anticipating more, and the reason I'm going lower, especially for Great Falls, is I think we're going to be right on that cusp of the rain-snow mixture for the first wave and a half of moisture, so likely not going to see much accumulation. Helena will have a better chance of picking up about 5 inches or so, maybe up to 6, but really the biggest impacts, again, are going to stay in the mountains. About 7,000 feet and above will catch a pretty decent amount of snow. Over the next 7 days, we're looking at 33 degrees today. Getting cloudy, can't rule out a couple of flurries, but really that second wave of moisture is going to be a little bit more aggressive for our region. That's going to take us to about 43 degrees, rain-snow mixture, and then you notice temperatures taper off a little bit as we head into Friday and Saturday, hence why we'll have a little bit better chance of actual snow accumulation. So clear skies today in the capital, getting cloudy, couple flurries, better chance of moisture Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Keely?